Welcome to my class of science. With me here, your teacher, Mr. A Plus. I've come with these questions, which I actually got from one of the past papers, 2020 GCE. Okay, so the first question is, what is boiling? So, what is boiling? How can you answer that question? Then the second question is, state two factors that affect the boiling point of a liquid. Okay. Then the other one is explain the differences between boiling and evaporation. Okay, so now to start with the first question, solution. Boiling, so you can say boiling, boiling is the state at which a liquid changes to gas. Simple as that. So that is boiling. So boiling is a state at which a liquid changes to gas. Okay? Then the other one, state two factors that affect the boiling point of a liquid. So the two factors that affect the boiling point of a liquid is, one of them is impurity. Okay, so this is A, then we go to B. Impurities of substance. Then that is one. Factors. They are saying two, so one of them is impurity of substance. What do I mean? So when we put impurities in that particular liquid, the boiling point will automatically be affected. Okay, so impurities of substance affect the boiling point of a liquid. Then the other one is the state at which the process of boiling is taking place. The state at which the boiling is taking place. So this one also affects the boiling point of a liquid, just the state at which the boiling point is taking place. What do I mean? For example, when you are preparing, because we have got different things that you can actually use when testing for boiling point. Okay, so there is a stove, we also have firewood, we have charcoal. So when you are using charcoal, the boiling point on that process is not going to be the same of or that of a stove. Okay, but that means now the boiling point will be affected. You would find that if you want to do it practically, get water, you put it on stove, then the other one on charcoal. You would find that the one on stove will actually reach fast on the boiling point as compared to the one which is on a charcoal or brazier. Okay, so that is some of the factors that actually affects the boiling point. Then the other question is, explain the difference between boiling and evaporation. So see, so the difference which is between these two is that boiling point takes place within the liquid. So boiling takes place within it. Boiling takes place within the liquid, while evaporation takes place on the surface of the liquid. Okay, so this is the first difference between the two. Then the other difference that you can get is that boiling forms bubbles. Boiling while evaporation no bubbles. Then the other one, evaporation takes place at any temperature. Evaporation takes place at any temperature. So we can either start with evaporation of boiling, like the first one we started with boiling, the other one also boiling. This one we can, whichever you are going to start with, as long as there is a distinction, there is a difference. We are talking about the difference. So here, let me continue since I started with boiling. So I'll say boiling point takes place at, or boiling takes place, boiling takes place at a boiling point. Wow. Evaporation takes place at any temperature. Okay, so these are some of the differences between boiling and evaporation. Okay, so thank you so very much for paying a particular attention and understand my today's lesson. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Petacode Learning, as well as follow me on my Facebook page, Mr. A Plus Online Learning. Thank you so very much for now.